Today, we will talk about the Harmonized Sales Tax, HST, in Canada. Canada's Harmonized Sales Tax is a consumption tax paid by local consumers and businesses. It harmonizes the nation's federal goods and services tax and various provincial sales taxes. The HST was implemented in 1997 to improve the competitiveness of Canadian businesses by simplifying administrative costs, leading to lower prices for consumers. The HST is collected by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, which then remits the appropriate amounts to the participating provinces. The HST is paid by purchasers at the point of sale. The vendor collects the tax proceeds by adding the HST rate to the cost of goods and services and then remits the collected tax to the Canada Revenue Agency. Prior to the HST's introduction, Canadian sales taxes were divided into the federal sales tax and the provincial sales tax. The concept behind the HST was to streamline the recording and collection of federal and provincial sales taxes by combining them into a single, consistent levy across the country. 5 of Canada's 13 provinces use the harmonized sales tax. The remaining provinces apply the provincial system in addition to the separate federal sales tax, with several others applying only the federal goods and services sales tax and not imposing local sales taxes. Canadian business owners in participating provinces are responsible for collecting and remitting the HST. To start applying the sales tax, the business operator must register for a Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time account through the CRA, provided that the business makes $30,000 or more per year in total revenue. Small suppliers with annual revenue of less than $30,000 are not required to charge or remit the HST. While many goods and services are subject to the HST, some are zero-rated or tax-exempt. Foreign purchasers of Canadian products do not have to pay the HST provided that the goods or services will be solely used outside of the country. However, non-residents visiting Canada, such as tourists, are required to pay the HST. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The Harmonized Sales Tax, HST, is a combination of federal and provincial taxes on goods and services in 5 Canadian provinces. 2. The HST rate is 15% in all participating provinces except Ontario, where it is 13%. 3. The concept behind the HST was to streamline the recording and collection of federal and provincial sales taxes by combining them into a single, uniform levy across Canada. 4. Foreign purchasers of Canadian products do not have to pay HST provided that the goods or services will be solely used outside of the country. 5. Critics argue that the HST shifts the burden of taxation to consumers, but proponents of the tax say it ultimately benefits consumers by lowering costs. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.